Hey, what's going on, everybody? So today we're going to be looking at the Air Jordan 11 Legend Blue or Columbia Blue. This is going to be the 2024 shock drop release pair. As you guys can see over here, I do have the 2017 pair that did release, or 14 pair that did release. I've already did an on feet for you guys, and an up close person look for you guys for those. But today I just want to focus on the 2024 pair and just kind of show a little bit of differences and stuff like that. But before we open up this box, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Now, as you guys can see off rip, the boxes are completely different when it comes to these sneakers. On the old one, we did have the box that was a pull-out box. You had the 11 logo and stuff on it and all that great stuff. On this pair, it's just going to be your standard Jumpman box with the Air Jordan logo and the black and then the gray on the bottom. We do have the Nike check right there. And then as you guys can see, there go the size tag for you guys if you want a legit check and stuff like that. Just pause the video. This is 11.5. I did go true to size in this pair, man. But as we open up the top of this box, as you guys can see right here, nothing on the inside of the box, just your white box. You do have the carbon fiber paper that's going to be in there. And then we are going to have the sneakers right here. Let's take these sneakers out and we're going to sit them right there. Also, with the inside of the box, you do have a quality control sticker right there, so make sure you guys are aware of that. And then the bottom of the box, you know, just a little bit of Nike branding and stuff like that. But that is it for the box. Now, when it comes to the shoes, we have your standard Jordan 11. This is going to be an all-white upper on it. They did stick with the the higher cut patent leather on these things. As we look at the Jumpman logo right there, you can see it's in that UNC blue. Doesn't look fat, doesn't look abnormal. The Jumpman logo looks pristine, looks good. The 2-3 on the back end looks amazing on this sneaker. The cut of the leather is no stitching issues or anything like that. We got that translucent blue bottom. As we go on that bottom and take a look, that you do have the black pods right there, the carbon fiber UNC in black, the white Jumpman logo right there, and this shoe is gonna yellow no matter what, but the bottom does look amazing on them. I'm not even gonna lie, fresh out the box, super icy. So this is definitely a keeper when it comes to fresh out the box, but they will yellow. It's things that you can do to make them not yellow as bad and as quickly, but hey, it's gonna happen, you know what I'm saying? But as we look at the inner side of the sneaker right here, like I said, the patent leather just looks really good. I know with the gratitudes and stuff like that, it was some issues with creasing like right around this area and stuff like that. But for this pair, none of those issues. Now, as we take a look at the upper is going to be the leather, and as you guys can see right here, the leather quality is really good. It's not tumble, and I know a lot of people like that tumble, but it is a pretty good leather quality. The lace straps right here are nylon, super clean, as you guys can see. As we continue on around the sneaker and we get the overview of the top of the sneaker, you have your mesh tongue right here, super clean all the way down. And then of course we have that legendary Jordan 11 strap right here in that UNC blue, really nice. And the toe box quality is good when it comes to the patent leather, super clean leather, no stitching issues. Like I said, as we look at the inner side of the shoe right here, you do have the Nike branding on the inner side of the shoe with the black sock liner. Comfort, it feel like it's plush. It's decent, it's not bad. And then behind the tongue, of course, we do have that legendary Jumpman stamp right there that comes on the 11s. White rope laces on these things, as you guys can see. Not a bad sneaker by any means, man. Like super clean, very well put together. I feel like the cut and everything is what everybody likes. Just an iconic sneaker. So as we take a look at the 2024 pair compared to the 2014 pair, as you guys can see off rip, the most noticeable thing is going to be the higher cut on the patent leather on the 2024, and then a lower cut on the prior release. Like I said, I do like the higher cut better than this lower cut. But outside that, quality wise, I think they both are very good quality sneakers. And like I said, my bottoms did age on these, but if we take a look at the back end of the sneaker, as you guys can see right here, 2024 is going to be on the left hand side and the prior release is going to be on the right, and it just looks like the black around the 23 is wider on the newer release and it's a little bit slimmer on the older release, as you guys can see right here. But it does look like these both are size 11.5. It does look like the 2024 pair is a little bit wider cut than the prior release. And then just looking at the front of the sneakers, like I said, not much difference on the front of the sneakers. On the inside of the new one, you have the Nike branding on the inside of the new one. On the old one, all you had was the Jumpman logo, as you guys can see right there. The shoe tree On the old one was gonna be the plastic one with the paper. On the newer one, all you got is just the paper right here, man, which is a lot. They really stuffed that off in there, man. But the bottoms of them, as you guys can see right here, pretty much the same thing. Like I said, my pair is just old and it's just worn, but the bottoms are pretty much identical. Nothing different on the bottoms. All in all, my opinion, I feel like either one of these releases are dope to have. I am not going to be going for this pair. This is not my pair. This is for somebody else. But not a bad sneaker at all to add to your collection. Super good quality. I don't see anything wrong with this pair, and I haven't heard many things as far as like quality control issues when it comes to the Jordan 11s this year for the holidays. But yeah, y'all comment down below and let me know if y'all gonna be going for these things. Yes, we get less packaging and the cost is more, but at the end of the day, we're not wearing the boxes, we're wearing the shoes. So y'all let me know down in the comment section if this is a must cop. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. Make sure you guys check out the on feet of the 2014 pair, and I will be doing an on feet closer to the release date of these things for the 2024 pair as well. But y'all let me know down in the comment section. I appreciate y'all. Rock what you like, not what's hype. And remember, everything we talk about, including these sneakers, just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all next video. Peace.
On the proof for OGs and the youth, you can kick it with us too. Technology.